Hello traders, do you want to trade with more clarity and less noise? The Renko Ashi Trading System is a strategy that helps you to spot strong trends, filter out market noise, and make better trading decisions. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this system can give you a major edge in the market. So stick around as we break down how it works, how to use it, and why it is so effective. Now, before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more powerful trading strategies, and let us get started. First of all, let us break down exactly what the Renko Ashi Trading System is and why traders love it. This system combines two unique charting techniques, okay? The Renko Charts and the Heikin Ashi Candles. All right, so let us just add. Okay, let me just start this from. So we're going to be adding the Renko chart. Okay, no, it's not that. Or let us use the Renko candles. You know that we have a lot of indicators here on Trading View, so sometimes the indicators might have the same name but be displaying different things, right? Okay, so these are the Renko candles, and then we're also going to be adding the Heikin Ashi okay. All right. Now, the Renko charts, unlike the traditional candlestick charts, these Renko candles focus only on price movement, not time. Okay, so this eliminates market noise and highlights true price trends. So instead of displaying every price tick, Renko forms breaks only when price moves a certain amount. Then concerning the Heikin Ashi candles, these modified candlesticks smooth out fluctuations, making trend direction clearer. So unlike regular candlesticks, Heikin Ashi averages price movements, creating smoother transitions between trends. Okay, so when you combine these, right? When you combine these, you get a powerful trend following system that cuts out unnecessary fluctuations and focuses only on the real price action. So now that we understand what it is, let us go over how to apply it in real trading. The first step is to identify the trend. Okay, if Renko bricks and Heikin Ashi candles are the same color, all right, if both of them are the same color, it confirms the trend direction. So it means that we're currently having a bullish move, probably a short-term bullish move, because we can see that the Renko shows us a consecutive 4, but the Heikin Ashi just shows us 2 consecutive 2 green candles. But you can see on the traditional candlesticks we are having higher lows, right? We have higher lows and see an higher high. So we have a short-term bullish move right now on the 15-minute chart. Okay, so when both shift color at the same time, when both the Heikin Ashi and the Renko candles change color at the same time, it can indicate a possible reversal. The second step is to spot trend continuation or reversals. When a series of same colored Heikin Ashi candles appears with consistent Renko bricks, the trend is likely to continue. So if a sudden color shift happens in both indicators, it might signal a potential trend reversal. And then ensure you always avoid false signals, okay? Because Renko charts help reduce false signals by filtering out small, irrelevant price moves. As you can see, right from here, the green has been consistent. The Renko candles did not take into account this minor pullback because it was not necessary. The Renko candles help you to focus on the prevailing trend. So it helps you to avoid confusion, right? So even if there is a small pullback, the Renko might not capture it because it's helping you to focus on the dominant move, okay? But the Heikin Ashi candles can also smooth out fluctuations, preventing whipsaws that can trap traders in bad trades, okay? So while using the Heikin Ashi candles, just watch out for the color code to align with the Renko color, all right, before you enter a buy trade or a sell trade, okay? Now, for even better accuracy, traders often use moving averages, RSI, or MACD for additional confirmation. A moving average crossover combined with a Renko Heikin Ashi color change is a strong confirmation signal. Now, let us talk about some best practices to get the most out of this trading system. So, if you want to use this Renko Ashi system effectively, it is important that you pay attention to your time frames. Okay, ensure that you are using the appropriate time frames. The Renko Ashi trading system works best on higher time frames like the 15 minutes, 1 hour, the 4 hour charts. Okay, you can use it on the 15-minute chart, you can use it on the 1 hour chart, you can use it on the 4 hour chart. You can actually use it on smaller time frames as well, depending on your trading style. If you are a day trader or a swing trader, that's going to determine the time frame that you're going to use this strategy on. Okay, and then ensure that you trade high liquidity assets. Okay, I'm going to recommend that you stick to major forex pairs like the Euro USD. That is if you are trading forex currency pairs, right? You can use Euro USD, GBP USD, and JPY USD, but it doesn't mean that you cannot use this strategy on any other asset. You can actually use it on cryptocurrencies, you can use it on stock indices, you can use it on any asset of your choice. But just if you are aiming for high liquidity, then of course you focus on pairs where liquidity is high and price moves smoothly. And it's important to also backtest the system before jumping into live trading. Always backtest the strategy to see how it performs in different market conditions. And there you have it, the Renko Ashi trading system. It's quite a valuable addition to your trading toolkit, and it's a way for you to trade with clarity, remove market noise, and identify strong trends with confidence. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on powerful trading strategy like this. Comment below and let me know, have you tried the Renko Ashi trading system before? What is your favorite strategy? I'd love to hear your thoughts. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.